Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jeff from MadHasReef.com, and before we jump into today's video, I want to talk about my Coral Propagation Club on the website. If you're interested, every month you get a new coral propagation gear in the mail, and there will be exclusive training seminars and video content on MadHasReef.com using that new gear that you get every month. So if you're interested, jump over to the website, click on the Coral Propagation tab at the top of the page and follow the instructions for joining. And being a Mad Hatter's Reef subscriber, you get a discount code, save 5. It'll save you $5 a month on that membership. So if you guys are interested, jump over and check it out. Alright, let's get into today's video. So what we're going to be working on is a water bridge, and there are other videos on YouTube showing this as a display feature. Well, I'm going to be using it more for a functional purpose in this video. And all you're doing with it is taking PVC pipes, a couple elbows, putting them together, making a horseshoe shape or a C shape, and making sure that they're level in length on each end, and putting them into 2 aquariums and creating a siphon. And what it does is it balances out the water level between the 2 aquariums. And what this allows you to do is to link multiple aquariums together in succession, so they can all be hooked up into the same system. For this, what I'm going to be using this for is 2 55-gallon aquariums that I have next to each other that I'm looking to make into frag tanks. And what this is going to allow me to do is run everything off of one system with minimal overflows and pumps used to achieve that. Right here I'm cutting some rigid airline tubing so I can put it into the hole I drilled into one of the elbows, and this is going to help me create the full siphon so it draws water from one aquarium to the other, and the big part of what keeps both water levels in the aquarium balanced out. And when you're putting in the airline tubing, you want to make sure it's not in too deep so the water can pass through freely. And this is the water bridge in the 2 55-gallon aquariums, full siphon, and they are currently working. It's really easy to build this. It's very functional to level out or connect multiple aquariums together. Right here I'm going to create a siphon on the aquarium that actually has no pump hooked up to it at all, using a cleaning siphon, and you can see the water level dropping. Well, it should have continued to remove water at this point, but the other aquarium is pumping water in, and removing the siphon, you can see the water level rise back up, so the 2 aquariums are balancing themselves out with the water bridge. If you are interested in checking out my clownfish breeding project, go ahead and click on the annotation